Drag the E to the correct white piano key, then tap the green checkmark button. Drag each of the 4 letters to their correct white piano keys, then tap the green checkmark button.